Yo, 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 hey! Oh, man, thanks. We're on our way to Vancouver, and I really, really appreciate this.
I couldn't leave these kids sitting out here on the highway. That's why I'm leaving you animal!
Hey! Wait a minute! Come back here, you hillbilly! Come here! Ah! No! Let me in! Hey, yo! Bring me back my kids!
Mister, are you crazy?
Some psycho trucker took my kids, man. We gotta catch him.
We'll hop aboard. I'll help ya. Arts to the rescue!
Suzanne, they'll be here any minute. I'm sure they're fine. Now, let's concentrate on the party.
We were completely wrong about Nick. Yeah, but now we know he's kind and gentle.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, Slim, get me close. I got it.
Get up!
Open up, you jerk.
Nick, save us! Help!
Stop this truck. Stop this truck.
Kind and gentle, huh?
Go, man.
I'm moving! This thing wasn't built for speed!
Come on, man. You're driving like an old lady now.
No, you watch. Ernst knows how to drive.
Hey, yeah, that's what I'm talking about, man.
Let us out now! We want to go with Nick! Let us out!
Come on, Slim. Don't let him push you around. Do it. Do it.
Dad, Bernard, I had enough of this.